Today I'm driving a DB4GT. No ordinary DB4GT. This is the only GT that's been a true movie star in the hands of Peter Sellers in The Wrong Arm of the Law, which was made in 1962, and it was, of course, the famous getaway car.
Ealing comedies are kind of a way of life in the UK during the early 50s onwards. The Wrong Arm of the Law was one of their biggest hits that they did. In the film, this car was doing at very, very high speeds. It's really impressive.
Wouldn't you go and join your boys, Inspector, be in the kill?
Peter Sellers was one of my all-time heroes, and to drive in the same seat as Sellers, that's a really, really special experience. This particular DB4GT is astonishingly original, and yet it is also unique in two somewhat surprising ways. The DB4GT is famous for being a two-seater, the GT car with space for luggage in the back. But this DB4GT was actually built with two occasional rear seats. So that's a surprising feature of this car, and of course it's one that came in useful for the film because they had to get a third person in the movie for the getaway scene. And of course the second unique feature of this car is it is the only DB4GT to have been fitted with a 4-litre block in period, making this the most powerful and most torquey of all DB4GTs ever built. So here we have a DB4GT that's matching numbers and an engine that is extraordinarily special, and one that you will not find in any other DB4GT in the world. It has got astonishing performance.
So in the early 2000s, this car was fully restored by Bodylines and Spraytech. They've all of the sort of major Aston Martins that you know of that were restored in the 80s and 90s. They're usually done by Bodylines and Spraytech or RS Williams. And all of these people have been involved in this car. So they're some of the most respected names out there.
This one, I really want in my garage. It's a Sellers car. It's got that extra performance. It's got that wonderful originality. And actually, it does what a DB4GT should do. It really goes.